Hey, today we're upgrading RAM on a PC. It's a pretty easy thing for just about anybody to do. We're working on a compact Pisario. We went down to the Micro Center and picked up a new RAM upgrade for this. Currently it has 3 gigabytes of RAM. We went online and found out that this machine has DDR3 memory, and it's PC 1333 speed. You want to check the speed of the memory and do some shopping online, and then we just went here locally and picked it up. You can order it online, do whatever you want to. But the first thing you want to do is open up your PC. And there's a little bit of a debate going on out there. Old schoolers say you should keep your PC plugged in when you're working on the inside of it. This is an ATX power supply. It's a soft power supply, which means it can kind of turn on, and it also has a wake function. So I always advise that we unplug the machine, but we're going to keep all the rest of the plugs intact just for time savings and things like that. I don't have a ground strap with me today, but I'm safe enough just to touch the case and to kind of get my discharge of electrostatic discharge equivalent to the machine. We're going to just pop out the old RAM modules and set those off to the side. I've got my 2 brand new modules that we're just going to snap in there.
Why are those 2 different colors?
Well, on this particular computer, it's kind of a strange configuration. We had a 1 gig stick and a 2 gig stick for a total of 3 gigs. Typically these machines work with a bank of memory, and if you have mismatched RAM like that, that's not good for memory banking. So our upgrade, we're going to put in 2 matching sticks, which is what I would always advise. Your machine's going to work at an optimum rate. One thing you might notice is that these do have a notch in it, and it's off to one side. That way you're not going to put it in the wrong way. You can, when you're looking at the socket to put it in, you can see there's a little notch there. Just make sure that you line those notches up. Put that in there. I like to just use my thumbs and push down and listen for it to snap. It's snapped in there. We're going to take the other stick in there. It's all snapped in there. Everything's seated very well. We're ready to put this machine together, fire it up, and make sure that our RAM upgrade from 3 to 8 gigabytes is taking place. I'm just going to go into Windows 7. I'm going to right click on my computer and go down to Properties, and then I can make sure that my RAM is showing is 8 gigabytes. And then we'll know that that the machine and the software are all seeing the new RAM upgrade. Okay, we just installed the RAM. Now we're going to just go ahead and check and see if our computer's seeing the whole 8 gigabytes. And if you just right click on Computer, go down to Properties, and that's going to pull up this window here that gives you a rundown of your machine. And right there it's seeing 8 gigabytes of RAM. So everything's looking good. Thanks for joining us.